50 common English sentences with fruits.
I eat an apple every day. She likes bananas for breakfast. Do you want some orange juice? This mango is very sweet. I bought fresh strawberries. Grapes are my favorite snack. Watermelon is perfect for hot days. Pineapple tastes amazing. I cut the apple into slices. He is eating a peach. These blueberries are delicious. I love raspberry jam. She picked a cherry from the tree. This pear is very juicy. We made a fruit salad. I drink lemon water every morning. Add some lime to your drink. This grapefruit is a little bitter. I peeled a banana. The orange is very fresh. I like coconut water. This papaya is ripe. He ate a whole watermelon. I bought a bunch of grapes. We shared a mango. I need to buy more fruit. She cut the pineapple carefully. I like fruit for dessert. These apples are very crunchy. I don't like sour fruit. This fruit is too sweet. I made a banana smoothie. She is eating a slice of melon. I added strawberries to my cereal. He drinks apple juice every day. I like fresh fruit, not canned. This avocado is perfect. I put tomato in my salad. Do you like cucumber? He cooked with pumpkin. She added chili to the dish. I like spicy peppers. This zucchini is very fresh. I bought eggplant at the store. We cooked with beans. I like corn on the cob. She made lentil soup. I added peas to the meal. These fruits are very healthy. I try to eat fruit every day.